The Kia Stinger has certainly divided the internet over the last 12 months. Love it or hate it, we think it's a pretty good ride. 12 seconds out of the box, family four-door car, rear-wheel drive. There's not a whole lot else you can buy in that sector. Some don't like it because it's got a Kia badge on it, but we've heard HBF in Dandenong have been custom tuning these things. We haven't heard too many people actually doing a custom tune on the Stinger, so we thought we'd head down and talk to them and see what they're up to. So what are we doing to this car today, Matt?
Well, we're going to do a baseline dyno run first and see what it makes standard, and then we'll put some air filters in it, and then we're going to remap the factory ECU.
So you can remap it like you would a Ford or a
Commodore,
Holden, exactly
WRX,
the same.
yep. Yeah.
So no sort of mail order tunes. It's actually
done right here. Custom tune it. Yeah.
Custom tuned. Yeah. So you've done a few of these now. The
we have done a few. Yeah. They're just starting to filter through. We had a car here for a while that we were doing a lot of R&D with, and that's enabled us to get a good understanding of what needs to be done and how we can do it.
Yep. And is there much room with the standard turbochargers on pump fuel? They
actually come up alright.
Yeah, because when they came out, a few people were saying they might be a little bit small and you wouldn't be able to make too much power on them. But
it's like the LS1 originally, that was only going to make 500 horsepower before it blew apart.
Yeah.
But these things, effectively, I think we can just about get 100 kilowatts over standard on the standard turbos.
Yeah, really good. And does that mean you can adjust the shift points on the auto, or can you get into that yet?
Not directly, but when you reprogram the factory ECU, the transmission gets a higher torque signal from the factory computer, and it'll adjust the transmission shifts to suit that extra torque.
Yeah. So I've just had it on the dyno, Matt, and we've picked up about 50 kilowatts.
Yep.
And that includes, the guys were saying you put about 3 or 4 pounds of boost in it?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So it's not crazy.
Yeah, that's awesome. Still on pump 98?
Oh yeah,
Yep.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. And then we're running about 16 up to about 18 in the top end.
And I've heard we might have another Kia coming in today.
Yeah, this one's got exhaust system, cold air intake. We may even, I think it's still got the dump, we put high flow dump pipes on it with high flow cats in it as well. Haven't released that yet.
Yeah, it's more R&D.
Yeah,
still in the sort of tuning and process.
Correct. Yeah.
Matt, this car's making about 400 odd horsepower at the wheels. What's the difference between this and the red car?
So this has got a turbo back exhaust system. We've got development high flow cats and downpipes in it. The air intakes have also been changed. Again, they're more development. We'll probably go something with a little bit more OE style, but still high flowing when they get finished.
Yeah.
But that's the main difference.
Is really the exhaust.
That's it.
Yeah. Oh, pretty impressive. How much power do you think realistically you could get out of this without, say, changing to a different fuel or turbocharger?
I'm not really sure yet. I mean, there's still plenty left in the turbochargers. We are going to explore that. We want to explore the turbochargers, the intercoolers, really go as far as we can.
Yeah. Okay. So anyone interested, just give HBF a call and you can take it from there.
For sure. Yeah, they come up well.